Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Secret to Building Wealth in 7 Steps series. In this episode, we'll be talking about the importance of building an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a pool of money that you set aside to cover unexpected expenses, such as a sudden car repair, a medical emergency, or a job loss. Having an emergency fund can give you peace of mind and help you avoid going into debt in times of crisis. So, how do you build an emergency fund? Here are the steps. Step 1. Determine how much you need to save. A good rule of thumb is to have 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved up. To figure out how much that is for you, add up your monthly expenses, including rent or mortgage payments, utilities, food, transportation, and other necessities. You can use a budget worksheet to help you calculate your monthly expenses. Step 2. Start saving. Make a plan to save a certain amount each month until you reach your emergency fund goal. You can use a savings account or a money market account to store your emergency fund. Step 3. Keep your emergency fund separate from your other savings. This will help you avoid spending it on non-emergency expenses. You can even give your emergency fund its own name, like rainy day fund or job loss fund. Step 4. Make it automatic. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your emergency fund so you don't have to think about it. You can also ask your employer to split your paycheck between your checking account and your emergency fund. And there you have it, folks. Those are the steps to building an emergency fund. Remember, having an emergency fund can help you weather unexpected storms and avoid going into debt. So start building your emergency fund today. Thanks for watching The Secret to Building Wealth in 7 Steps. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips on building wealth.